Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete Angi account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to delete your Angi account, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your Angi application and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the more icon that is located at the bottom right corner of your screen, and once you're inside the more option, on the bottom of the options you'll be seeing the delete account option. Simply select that, and then once you're inside there, what you need to do is you will be asked you are deleting your account. All you got to do is scroll down and then tap on delete my account option, and then you may be asked to confirm your password or give a reason for leaving. All you gotta do is give one and confirm the deletion. If you don't find a delete account option, simply head over and contact support. If option is not visible, you can also call on 1-844-606-7010 or use the live chat feature on the customer support page. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.